I would have preferred a human tea bag. Sexy food timing. When I was 19, somebody wrote this quote on calligraphy. The higher you stand, the greater you'll see. And this stuck with me. We're gonna fly our drone right now. It's the droney! Alright, we're gonna find our good spot. Ah! Oh! Woo-hoo! Oh! Oh my god!
You okay? You okay?
I got it on film. My no shit moments. Alright. I survived. Back on land. Are we setting up here?
Yeah. Trying.
Wow, they climbed up there. They're gonna slide down. Whoa! Oh my god! Our Korean friends.
You want to let it first?
Why not just turn? Let's do a twist.
I don't know how to do that. Let's do.
Yeah, which is why let's learn. Alright, this is all that we are flying our drone. Many times, I'm easily frustrated, sad, or angered by people, by things. Then I remember this quote. What I'm seeing is only what I can see at the level I'm at. At a higher elevation, there is a greater picture, and everything could just be a trivial part of the story. Let's go fly our drone. We're gonna set up a drone in the middle of nowhere. Alright. Let's see. Getting the truck towed off, and we thought it was our car. Fortunately it wasn't.